This summer, make this sweet, refreshing watermelon sorbet using just 3 ingredients. Let's start by making a sugar syrup. For that, add half a cup sugar, 3/4 cup water in a saucepan. Squeeze in 2 lemon and give it a quick stir. Cook it over medium heat for 5 minutes or until the sugar dissolves. Remove from heat and bring it to room temperature. Now take 700 to 800 grams of watermelon and cut into small cubes. Don't worry about removing the seeds, as we'll strain the watermelon puree later. Transfer to a bowl. Now put the watermelon in a blender jar and blend to a smooth puree, ensuring there are no chunks. Place a strainer over your freezer container or simply over a tiffin box and pour in your watermelon puree. Repeat the process. Now strain and remove the seeds. Pour in the sugar syrup we made earlier and mix. Now taste the puree. Add more sugar if required, or if it is too sweet, add some more lemon juice to balance the sweetness. In this case, it tastes fine, so I'll keep it as it is. Now cover and freeze for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Make sure you dip an ice cream scoop in some hot water. Remove the sorbet from the freezer, scoop and serve immediately. If the sorbet is too frozen to scoop, allow to rest on the counter for 5 minutes. Top it off with a few slices of watermelon. You can save the leftover in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. A detailed recipe is in the description box below. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.